So do you.
Oh, he's got a campfire going on in there. Guys, there's a cop behind us.
Oh, bro.
What's up, brother man, Arman? What's up, Baldy? So we got my brother Rob and brother Arman right there working on a Lincoln Continental. Sorry about the noise in the background. But yeah, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully today's gonna be a fun one. We're gonna be heading out to a car meet in a bit. Right now I'm waiting for brother man Raz, brother man Greg, Nadek, and Alex to come to my house so we can all head out to the car meet. Hopefully a lot of cars show up. I believe there will be. Hopefully there's a good turnout and maybe someone does something stupid and I could probably catch it on camera or something like that. Now I'm just messing around. Right now I'm just gonna wait for them to come to my house and then we're probably gonna head to the show. Here's my car right here looking all clean as shit. Look at this ugly ass fitment right here. And then here's brother man Arman's truck right here. Him and my brother Rob just got done building this. Probably like a few weeks ago actually. They completely built it from the ground up. But yeah, look how clean this looks. It's got a 4.6 swap in it as well. I'll be doing a video on this truck in a few days, so you guys will be seeing the full build on this soon. It's literally from the ground up. They basically restored the entire truck, so you guys will see that pretty soon.
You're not on the video. Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas.
You only talk when I'm not listening, huh? Feels good, do it. Hey, you asshole.
Guys, I don't know if you guys have seen this build yet, but it's a new build that I'm doing on my channel. I already have like 2 videos out on it. One was an introduction and another was installing suspension. So if you guys are interested, make sure to go check out the other videos that I have on this car. This is gonna be a really cool build, so don't forget to check it out. All right guys, all the boys are here with their cars. We got Razzie right here. Catching. We got this bitch over here.
Look at yourself.
We got the boy Nadek right here. Us just pulled up with the vet. We got Raz GT350 over there, and then Greg's M3 right here. We're all about to head out to the meet right now. That shit's sick, huh? Khach, tell us a little about this truck over here, buddy.
So over here we have a really old white truck. She has the black wheels, the black tent. We got the 6-foot bed.
It's 6 feet though?
About 6 feet.
Measure it real quick.
Yeah, it's about approximately 6 feet. We got the lowering springs or airbag. Nice bed liner to go to work if you need to. Overall, I'll give it an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10? Okay. We got Khach's stamp of 8 out of 10 for this car.
Make sure you put subtitles. No one's gonna hear
Subtitles? Yeah, we can't hear shit over the vet. And we got Alex over here. What's up, Alex? Alright guys, we're heading out to the meet now. The boy Nadek is riding with me. Sorry in advance if the video quality is too dark, but it's like a night meet, so I'll catch you guys when we get to the meet.
Big ass.
There's probably like 100 cops out right now.
Yes,
yes.
And
heavy native, blowing shit up.
It's a Friday night. Right there. We just took me off the line. Hi. Hey.
Nice.
We have arrived at our destination, sir. Let's see what better be some decent cars.
Hey, look, is it up? Well, there is no parking. So. Hey, brother man Arman, you came to the meet, and then we got the bigger Arman. Then
That's how we do it.
the guy in the Civic behind him said, "Oh, he's about to burn my bumper off." I think we made someone of an entrance. Low-key. It sucks we all parked separately though. This is brother man Raz's first car show. Or car meet.
What are you talking about?
No, it is, isn't it? With your car.
Oh, yeah.
What'd you say? Parking skills on fleek. Yes, sir.
The yacht convention is over there.
Well, there goes another yacht right there. We got car review Chris right here. That's your new nickname, Haj. Car review Chris. You guys probably can't tell, but there's like this entire parking lot is full of shit. There's so many cars here. Got a back 5.0, some Supras over here. Oh, E46 M3. It's a supercharger. It's an active auto work. It's pretty sick.
Yeah. Watch out,
He's shitting on Armand right now. Damn, Armand. It's pretty dope though. Nice little E46 M3. Active auto work supercharged. Is it a manual? Yep. Hey, it's manual too. That's just clean. It's a C10.
This one looks so good with you, Haj.
Yeah, Haj, this matches you. You about to pull up Saturday night at the club with this? Nah, bro, this.
Oh, bro. Let me find out
Shit. It's got a Hellcat engine in there. VSXs. That's actually really clean though.
What is this one? The Green Goblin? What is this thing?
Green Goblin. He's like, what is this one? The Green Goblin?
The Hulk. Hulk Hogan, bro.
That's just fucking wide body and shit. Damn.
We got the Green Lantern on the...
Oh, we got a clean old GTR. Probably one of the cleanest cars here. It's just sitting there all alone and shit. There's another one right there. There's a shit ton of GTRs. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 GTRs just right here.
Bunch of Nissans, bro.
It's just a Nissan, bro. That's a GTR right there. That's just sick. Bro, that's just dope. It's real. Shit.
Is it Duracell?
I don't want to touch it. Oh, he's got a campfire going on in there.
Nice and cozy.
Hotch, I can see you driving this.
Yeah.
A little commuter car to KHL and back.
The problem is fitting my fat ass in there and taking it out. That's why I love it.
Now you can fit in there. You can get in there all cozy with the campfire and shit.
Do not take on part in any of the community.
That's pretty nice.
Not gonna lie. That's so nice. Greg, go start your car.
I'm waiting for people to start doing burnouts and shit. I'm trying to see some hood rat shit.
Guys, get back into bed.
Oh no.
Some rich white.
It's a white family.
Can I borrow it?
Father, man.
Tyler's gonna be there.
All I'm gonna say is,
May I take out thy Bentley?
let me drive the boat.
Out of all those cars, I didn't see one GT350 besides Raz's.
Can I get that yellow?
What is
Bro,
that?
I went through hell.
It's that thing that Hemis have on, the shit.
This one is for my lights, so I can make those LED lights.
Oh, the color changing RGB lights?
Honestly, I thought you should jump the starter when it burns. But whatever. It's a bad problem.
Oh shit, thanks bro, you saved my life. I owe you. I owe you my life. Or maybe food.
That shit's hard.
That shit's sick. That's pretty sick color. Alright guys, we're about to head out right now, grab some food. Because everyone's already dipping out the meat, so let's go grab some food.
Wish that upon me.
Shut the f up.
Cool car, man.
Guys, there's a cop behind us, but we don't know if he's pulling us over or the homeboy Sam in his Mercedes.
Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of police.
I think he's pulling Sam over.
Oh well. We got f***ed up. We getting pulled over for some shit I have not done.
My f***ing phone fell. Woo! So do you. Alright guys, we just parked. We're about to go grab some Yard House.
We are hungry.
All the boys are parking in random spots because it's packed as shit over here too. Guys, the cop is right there. I think he's been following us this whole time. We're over here, grab some beers, waiting for our Yard House reservation. Want
some beer?
Have you seen your shape, buddy?
I'm a piglet.
You're a piglet? Greg, I'm gonna go tell the cop where your car is parked.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna tell him you're gonna leave around 12:30 so he can wait for you and give you a ticket.
Joke's on them. I'm staying the night here.
Twisters.
Oh my god, this is an MMA fight, dude.
No, he's cheating. He's holding it.
There we go. Damn, Khad.
I didn't know the beer.
Khad.
Where's my beer?
Take mine.
Where's my beer?
Well, we killed it. We're heading out now. Alright guys, we just got back home. We had a delicious dinner. We had a pretty cool time at the meet. I don't know if I recorded a lot or not, but hopefully I got some good content out for you guys. As always, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.